Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hi there, I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Glad to be here.
Yes, let's pull up this week's question.
Thank you.
Okay. Gary, my family was traveling in Kentucky when they were in a car wreck. We live here. Should we hire a lawyer in Kentucky to help out, or can a local lawyer help out?
Well, it's a good question that comes up a lot because we move around a lot, you know, now that thankfully COVID's behind us,
Yeah.
you know, getting out there. Anyway, but good question, it comes up. So there's two issues. What court has jurisdiction and what court has best venue? And believe it or not, the answer might be you can handle it in Columbus. I mean, what if you were hit by somebody from Georgia in Kentucky? Well, you might be able to file it in Georgia because the defendant lives in Georgia, so the court would have jurisdiction over that person and the incident because it involved two people that were Georgia citizens. So the problem then is venue. So the distinction between jurisdiction and venue is important.
Yeah.
Jurisdiction means the court can see it. Venue means maybe this isn't the best place to hear it. You know, because all the stuff's up there.
Yeah.
All the witnesses are up there. We deal in Columbus, we have so many people coming back and forth between Russell County and Lee County and Muskogee, Harris. The law in Georgia says, look, if all the doctors are in Columbus, the defendant lives or works doesn't live here, but works in Columbus, plaintiff chooses Columbus, even if the wreck happened in Alabama, we can bring it in Columbus.
Okay.
Because everything's here.
Yeah.
And so sometimes there's an argument about what forum is appropriate, but when most of the facts are here, we can file it here. Kentucky's a different story. There's a lot of issues there.
Yeah, okay. So if we can't file in Georgia, should we even hire a local lawyer?
So, and that answer is maybe, because if your doctors are here, if the treatment's going to be here, if things are going on here, there's a role for the lawyer here to coordinate things because that's where you are. So if it goes to litigation and you have to file interrogatories or answers to questions, do depositions, then it's easier to coordinate through local lawyer. And we do it, we associate people all the time.
Yeah.
And it's two heads are better than one, you know, but Kentucky, for what it's worth, is a lot different than Georgia laws on car wrecks. They have PIP up there, which is you know, kind of no-fault stuff. They've got a shorter statute of limitations. There's a lot of reasons to know the Kentucky law and have someone from Kentucky involved, but a local lawyer can help do that too and make it a lot more easily handled.
Okay, all right. Thank you,
Thanks.
Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.